So this is the Interactive Advanced Concept Presentation 3 involving the vinegar and baking soda bottle rocket. So this reaction involves baking soda or sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid or vinegar. And so when the two are combined in the bottle, the sodium ions from the baking soda and the acetate ions from the acetic acid combine to form a sodium acetate in aqueous. The hydrogen ions from the acetic acid combine with the bicarbonate ions from the baking soda to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable though, and so it immediately decomposes into water and carbon dioxide. So here in this reaction, our reactants would be the sodium bicarbonate and the acetic acid, and our products are sodium acetate in aqueous, water, and carbon dioxide gas. So the reason the bottle gets launched up into the air is because as we see more and more of this carbon dioxide gas as a product of this reaction, it builds up inside the bottle and the pressure builds until the cork is popped off and the bottle gets launched up into the sky. All right, thanks.